right? My bias was so strong that when I saw it, I'm like, let's go buy. But Forex Factory had done the work simple for me. It's telling me it's a sell. I should have just listened to Forex Factory and start selling that freaking hell out of the market. But I was so, let's say stubborn, arrogant. And then, but I managed to trade myself out anyway. You guys saw it, right? That's like a skill of a pro trader anyway. But if you're a beginner, you may have just lost money. So, to be on the safer side, it's best to let the Forex Factory do the hard work for you. Let them interpret the data very quickly. You know the bias of the market, and then you follow suit, right? But sometimes we have something we call fading the market, because Forex Factory can be right. Briefly the market will fulfill what it's supposed to do, which is like the fade, and then finally use price action to go where it wants to go, which can be very tricky, and then fading the market is a skills on its own. Sometimes Rick is confused, sometimes even Terry is confused, myself, I get trapped in it anyway, but it's what it is. That's why we're in a speculative market. You don't got to be perfect in this market. You got to make some errors, and the market is a continuous learning space. I've been a market back then when I started my community. I'd write student of the market for 9 years. Now, right, student of the market for 11 years. So I'm currently a student of the freaking financial market for 11 years. Because why? I'm always learning, I don't feel like a boss. I've reached that I understand every bit of details of the market. You can't understand everything in the market. Anyway, I think I did my best with breaking down the CPI. Now, you see all this knowledge that I'm sharing, all the vibe, you guys are enjoying the energy. It should tell you what to expect when you're coming for the Kojo Forex Expo. And this is only me. So imagine Tapilo sharing his own. Imagine EMZ sharing his own. Imagine, what's the name? Darren, right? Sharing his own. Imagine Chris. Imagine FS Lion. Imagine Rick. Imagine Common. Joe Trader is in the US. So people keep asking me, why is Joe not on the bill? Joe Trader literally jackpot. Joe Trader has jackpot from Ghana. The sun is too hot out there. Even me, the sun is too hot. That's why occasionally I run to places like this to come and cool my head small and go back to the heat. It's not too bad anyway, so don't think that my country is trash. Ghana is one of the best. Ghana is a gateway to Africa. Nigerians are always jealous of us anyway, but no cap. But I love Nigeria anyway. Nigeria is my second home. But yeah, you get what I mean. So if you want that same knowledge, same energy, same vibe that I've shared, you don't want to miss the expo. Make sure you're registering. Share it with your friends, share it with your trading buddies, share it with your groups, share it in all your communities, share it everywhere. Let people register, let them hear about. Don't let them miss a lifetime opportunity. These people, you're not going to see them anyway. You're only going to be watching them on YouTube. You're only going to be watching them on Instagram. But because of me, you're getting an opportunity to meet them in person, listen to them, feel them, hug them, hold their hands. You get me? Crazy opportunity, all on my cost, all expensed. You're not paying a dime. That's the beautiful thing about my expos. You don't pay a dime, come and learn. You don't pay a dime. It's for the fun of it, it's for the love of the people. Just come, represent, learn. After that, we feed you, we give you money to eat. No money, please. Nobody's going to share money anyway. But I mean, we give you food to eat. We give you food to eat for free as well. We give you food to eat after the expo, and then it's going to also be an opportunity for my book launch as well. I have the rules of studying, and I have the making of Kojo Forex, my 2 books that I've written so far. So it's also going to be out there. And then people, I can see people typing in Nigeria. I'm coming heavy, big time, right? And I'm coming with the avalanche. I'm coming with the entourage again. I'm coming with the people. So Nigeria are going to do it. Now I need to after the expo, focus on a little bit of things. But once that clears down, we're coming in big, something that Nigeria has never seen before. In fact, the African continent has never seen before. Any trade that you want to see on that bill, you just DM me and I'll put the person on. Big time. Anyway, I think I spent enough time here. My food is almost getting cold. So I got to leave you guys now. I hope you guys enjoyed the live session. I hope you guys enjoyed the vibe. I hope you guys learned a lot. It's been nice sharing my holidays with you. There's more to share on my story and then Instagram feeds and stuff like that, and Twitter as well. So follow me on Twitter if you are not doing that already, right? KOJOFREX. It's always Kojo Forex everywhere. People have been scamming people and stuff like that. My name is only one, KOJOFREX. No underscore, no plus, no dots, no minus, no nothing. So you don't want to fall for things like that, right? Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace. And I send it out on what's the name? Telegram as well. But Telegram I send it out for my private people. But it's actually running about 200% profit. But today I want to break down that trade for you guys, yeah? Not only do I want to break down that trade, but I'm also going to talk about CPI. I see that a lot of you are already asking me, what about CPI? What about CPI? Right? Allow us to do 0.01. Oh, that's on Twitter, yeah? Twitter banter. Everybody asking, because I'm saying that you don't have to be putting 0.01. We're gonna go through a lot of stuff today, right? It should be an interesting morning. It should be an interesting morning. You don't want to miss this live session, because number one, I'm gonna break down the gold trade. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I took the buys, right? In fact, I've been timing gold and Nasdaq for a long time. Very, very long time. I've been timing gold and Nasdaq for a very, very long time. And then yesterday happened to be like the day that I actually got that beautiful entry that I was looking for on gold, right? So you know what? First thing, let's address like the 0.01 traders. This morning I tweeted that we have certain traders that would say, oh, I got this trade, I killed it. And then you're going to only check the trade, and then apparently they only put like 0.01 on that trade, right? So you cannot be a trader that is going to be like, oh, I killed this market, I destroyed it, and then we go check your lot size and it's like 0.01. Because like, let's do the maths. If you put on 0.01 on a $10 account, in fact, if you put on 0.01 on any trading account, right? Let's think about it. If you put 0.01 on any trading account, let's think about it. If you put 0.01 on any trading account, that's like 1 cent per trade, right? Per pip, right? 1 cent per pip, right? 1 cent per pip. If you put on 0.01, it's literally 1 cent per pip. Now, what is your current trading account capital? Just be honest. Random. You guys tell me, what is your current trading capital? Let's do some math, right? Let me let you guys understand certain things on the market, right? What is your current trading capital? You just tell me randomly. If it's like $100, $50, whatever it is, you tell me what is your current trading capital, right? Right? Somebody say $50, somebody say $10. I'm interested in knowing all your current trading capital. Then we do the maths, right? Now listen. I said if you put on 0.01, it's what in cents per trade, right? If you put on 0.01, it's what in cents per trade. So somebody say they have $5,000, somebody say $100, somebody say $100, $5,000, $10, $20, right? Now think about this. I mean, it's no brainer. I know you guys know all this trading calculation already. If you put on 0.01, it's $10 cents per pip, right? 10 cents per pip. Oh, you know the funny thing? Look at the coincidence. I'm listening to Shatawale's song, yeah? And look at some interesting scene going on here. We actually got the same thing going on here. I didn't even know. He also got like my same cigar. Cigar is for big men. You can't be a broke man and be smoking cigar. But anyway, let's talk about what I was saying, right? 10 cents per pip. That means that the market has to go against you 10 pips before the market has to go against you 10 pips before you are going to lose $1, right? The market has to go against you 10 pips before you're going to lose $1, right? Think about it. The market has to go against you 10 pips before you lose $1, and then the market has to go against you 20 pips before you lose $2. The market has to go against you 30 pips before you lose $3. So even with a minimum of $10 account, if you put on 0.01, you're freaking being overly protective, right? If you put on 0.01, you're freaking being overly protective. So I kind of advise traders that, like, you want to, you wanna be a little bit, you know, exposing yourself in terms of risk. You don't want to always be like risk averse, running away from the market. You're shy, you're scared to the balls. Like you're scared to the balls. Like you're literally, the moment you take a trade, you're holding your balls. Your hands are in between you on 0.01, on 0.01. And then you want to be Kojo Forex. You want to be Tapilo the GOAT. You want to be EMZ No Limit. You want to be Rick Forex. Rick FX. You want to be Common Forex. You want to be Aram Dela. You put on 0.01. You want to be, what am I G's name? Chris. You want to be Darren. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. There's no place for you. There's no place for you in our camp. There's no place for you in our camp. You know, there's no place for you in our camp at all. If you want to be that guy, and then you put it on 0.0 and you put your hands. You want to be Happy. You want to be Jeffrey Benson. You want to be FX Lion. You want to be FX Lion. You want to be the lion. Please pack yourself. You cannot play with us on 0.01. You cannot play with us. So up your game. I mean, it takes time, yeah. It takes time. It takes time. You're not supposed to like rush the process. It takes time, but like, you know, you can't stay in that one place forever. You know, you can't stay in one place. You can't stay in that one place for a long time. If you stay in that one place, you're slowing down. You're not improving. You're not. I don't know. You know, you got to be that trader that levels up. Give yourself 1 month, you're up. 2 months, you're up. 3 months, up your game. That's how we do it. That's how we do it in trading. You know, you cannot just be like that trader that's always like 0. You're scared. You know, trust me. I'm showing you how to level up. I'm showing you how to grow up as a trader. I'm showing you how to be a big boy. Ball. Trust me, if you're a trader, let me tell you the truth. You know, real recognize real. Yeah? You guys are the one that always say that. Anytime I bring up somebody like, real recognize real. Look at Kojo linking up with this person. Real recognize real. Real recognize. But let me tell you a simple truth about, like, you know, what people that you call your mentors, people that you, I'm telling you this, nobody is going to tell you this truth. Listen to me. Nobody's going to reveal this truth to you. Nobody's going to reveal this truth to you. It's only me. It's only me that is going to reveal this truth to you. Listen to the truth. If you could be the most beginner of traders, right? You could be the most basic rookie of traders. Create, let's say $1,000 account. Let's say $500, any type of account, right? Start putting on a real account, not demo, please. On a real account, let's be serious. Create even a $500, $1,000. Start putting on, you know, big boy lot size, 2 lot size, 3 lot size. In fact, don't do this when you don't have the knowledge. Take my advice only when you know you're confident in yourself as a trader. If you do this and then you don't have the knowledge, you blow it, please don't come back to me. Don't come and write me long essay. I'm tired of reading long essay in my DM. But like, listen to me. Start putting on like big boy lot size. 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lots, right? 3 lot, 4 lot. Show you and then you show a screenshot of your trader or screen recording. Flip to the real side. Send it to any of your mentors. Send it to me. Send it to Rick. Send it to Common. Send it to Tapilo. Send it to EMZ. Send it to Darren. Send it to anybody. Your quickest way of becoming their friend. Your quickest way of becoming their friend. Like your quickest ticket of becoming that person's friend. If they don't even respond to anybody, if their DMs are flooded, and then they see that this young chap literally put on $500 trading account, and then he's putting on 1 lot, 3 lot, 2 lot, and he's killing it. They want to know you because like you're speaking their language, you're vibing with them, you're doing what we do. So it's like you don't have to be hidden. We gotta know you. We gotta like bring you closer. But if I open my trading account and then my messages and then I see $500, he put on 0.01, 0.00, they're like, bro, I'm killing it. Mentor, I'm killing it. I'm like, you're killing what? You're killing your future. Yeah, you can do that. You're literally killing your future dreams. You're killing your future dreams. I will watch it and You see, on Instagram they have accept, reject. I'll press reject, 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 because you're wasting your future dreams. You know, that's serious. I'm telling you, fact. Like, ask any of them. They're gonna, like I said, nobody's gonna tell you this thing. Only me is gonna tell you the truth. You know, I'm the only person who's gonna reveal this truth to you, right? So you know that I'm being real. I'm being realistic. What I said is true fact, right? Try it. If it don't work, come back. I'll fund you your money. Put on, like, let's say $300. Put on like 1 lot, 3 lot, 2 lots. Let it be a good trade. Make profit. Send it out to any of them, and then come back and tell me that they did not respond to your message, right? In fact, if you find yourself in Cape Town, you can't be in Cape Town and not be on some high-end shit cigar. My cigar came in a coffin. My cigar came in a coffin. Look, it has its own case, enclosement. And then when you buy a cigar, we don't smoke it at one sitting. It got to be like intense. So when I put this thing off until like the next I don't know, you know the vibe, right? You know the vibe. Anyway, I've been talking about like 0.01 Twitter stuff. Let's go to the chat, right? Are you guys ready to go to the chat? You guys ready to go to the chat with me now? Let me know if you guys are ready to go to it. Send some fire emojis if you want us to like go straight to the chat. Let me break down that gold stuff for you. Send me some fire emoji. My wife is also serving me my food. Thank you, bro. I'm living the life. Look at me. Let me show you something. Look at me eating. Look at the breakfast I'm eating. Let me go to the chat. Look at me watching the chat. Look at me got some juice up here, and look at me with the views, bro. It's only the trading, the financial market that can get you this life.